Friday, August the 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Kind of a neat time lapse from the Avalon Pier web camera yesterday as we got toward the late afternoon hours. Had some showers and thunderstorms roll through. One moved right over the Avalon Pier webcam site there. One of those days where we had some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region there as our Thursday rolled along for us. Now we take a look at the highs from yesterday. It was another hot one. 96 in Macon and Columbia, 90 in Birmingham, 95 in Jacksonville, around the Carolinas. Hit high temperature of 95 in Fayetteville, 94 in Wilmington, 95 in Charlotte and Greenville, 96 in Columbia. Upper 80s and lower 90s across the Triad viewing area yesterday, and a bit hotter around the Charlotte area, mid 90s rather, even up to 97 for a high in Rock Hill and Gastonia, 96 in Monroe. So another hot and very sticky day yesterday. Temperatures this morning in the 70s in most spots, 60s in the mountains. It's 81 in Cape Hatteras. Pretty much everybody else in the 70s. And dew point temperatures still way up there too. But, big time weather changes coming by Monday. More on that here in just a second. All right, let's take a look at the radar here as we have gone through yesterday and into yesterday evening. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. They were most numerous yesterday from near Charlotte and points just east and then down through much of South Carolina. Further north you went, the showers and storms are a little bit more isolated in nature yesterday. Storm reports had a few of them down around South Carolina, even some hail reports too. Had this issue with some lightning there right near the North and South Carolina border region. I'll show you that report there. That was from yesterday afternoon, and that was where you had 4 o'clock around North Myrtle Beach, and lightning struck nearby. One individual briefly knocked unconscious. That's that danger of that summertime lightning with these thunderstorms. Yesterday, you noticed the greater coverage of rain down into South Carolina and eastern North Carolina, and this morning it's been raining right through the Piedmont zones. This batch of mainly light rain has been rolling through here as we've gone through this morning. It is not very heavy, but it is enough that has been wetting the pavement in some instances here early this morning in parts of the region. Now let me show you what's happening elsewhere. You look off to the southwest of us, still in a setup here where these disturbances will move our way and aid in the development of some scattered afternoon thunderstorms. That's the basic pattern today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But then off to the north, big thunderstorms rumbling through Minnesota and Wisconsin, and trailing from there. This is all along a cold front, trailing from there down into Kansas and Nebraska, some thunderstorms this morning. And that cold front is the game changer for us, and that sweeps through by Monday morning, even by Sunday night in most spots. Now today, still the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms out there as we go through this afternoon and this evening. Here's the high resolution modeling, and again the idea here is just a scattering of those mainly afternoon thunderstorms. As morning rain fades away, then it's scattered afternoon activity. Again, a couple storms could be locally strong to severe, damaging winds, the primary severe weather threat, but as highlighted a moment ago, any storm could produce a lot of lightning. Be aware of that, and some localized flash flooding issues are again a possibility for some of us. All right, let me go back to this map here. There's your highs across the region this afternoon. Triad area specifically 86 and 70. All right, let's go ahead now to the setup for the weekend. Scattered showers and thunderstorms looking likely for your Saturday afternoon. High temperatures Saturday looking like that. And for Sunday, again, very much the same. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. But there you go, this cooler, drier air mass waiting in the wings. And that gets here by Monday. There's your Sunday highs, though. All right, in the tropics, kind of interesting here. A good bit to talk about. We do have Fiona still out there churning in the central Atlantic Ocean. It's about 1,240 miles west of the Cape Verde Islands. This is moving to the west-northwest. This is probably going to weaken and should stay east of the East Coast. I feel much more confident about that today than yesterday. That should stay out to sea and probably fall apart. But look what's happening behind it. Here's Fiona right here. Behind it, a very healthy-looking tropical wave, and a lot of the computer modeling develops this into a system that's fairly significant down the road. In fact, let me show you a couple of the charts dealing with that. This is the GFS computer model right here. This is valid Thursday night, August the 25th. So basically 174 hours from now, about a week from now. And that is a 998 millibar, probably hurricane. near the northeastern Caribbean islands, maybe a tropical storm. Either way, it's strengthening, becoming a hurricane there soon thereafter. This is now moving north. This is Puerto Rico, northeastern Caribbean islands, and there it goes. And a lot of the computer modeling is picking up on that potential down the road. So that's probably our next system to watch. All right, otherwise, here comes this big trough diving into the Midwest. This is tomorrow, and then there's the trough swinging into the eastern part of the country Sunday and Monday. And the height fields, this is today, but then look at the big trough moving in before some ridging and some heat tries to build back in later on next week. So here we go. Scattered showers and thunderstorms today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But here comes that front moving on in. Here's the setup for Monday. That front well to the south, cool, dry, high pressure building in. These are low temperatures by Monday morning as this cooler and drier air takes hold. And then look at these midday dew points off the GFS Monday. That is a significant change. Much drier air moving in. And then it's very quiet thereafter. Again, there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very nice week once that drier and cooler air settles in. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.